Hi guys, it's Brooke with WTI, and I want to share with you my favorite interactive toy for my son.
This is the Skip Hop Explore and More Follow Me Bee.
The best part is that it has 3 different stages.
Bee rolls around and rattles, but it always stays right side up.
When he was doing tummy time, we put it on the circle mode so it just stays close in front of him and just goes in a circle. But now that he's walking around, we put it in the crawling mode so that he can chase it around. I actually think that his favorite part is taking the bee off and watching it spin. He loves it so much and it's hilarious to watch. My son's starting to learn a bunch of new things, and he just figured out that if he puts the bee back on top, it'll start going again after he's taken it off, which was super exciting. It's really durable. This thing gets all over the floor. We've moved. It's like gone over dirt and crumbs and crackers, and it's still in great condition. Look at it. Whether you're occupying your baby during tummy time or trying to get him to crawl or trying to tire him out for nap time, this Skip Hop Bee is your secret weapon. But that's just my point of view.